What I've got here is a bare hose reel for you to attach your hose, your existing hose onto. This is for the Nilfisk machines, the one with the screw fittings at the bottom on the outlet of the machine. So what you'd simply do is you would attach the blue end to your pressure washer. You would then attach your existing hose to this fitting. Now this has to be done this way because if you try and attach straight onto there, it's going to hindrance it turning on and off the reel. So we have to do a tight elbow system. So you would then have that short hose. So this means we have to do 4 crimps on the system. Use standard BSP threads in at that point there. We also use standard threads in at that stage there. But that's 1/4 inch and 3/8. You can't possibly attach straight directly on because as you're trying to turn with the interferes, it causes problems on these hose reels. So this is why we have to do it this way. So you've got a 2 metre lead hose, attaches to the pressure washer. You've got the other end that normally you attach your hose to your pressure washer, you would attach it to that stage there. That is the Nilfisk end on there. Got the lock to lock it in place, the fixing bracket at the bottom with the 4 holes, and that will take 20 metre hose onto this reel. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.